We've been able to change the lives of a lot of our customers through the use of our software. We've also been able to change the lives of a lot of our employees, but we've also gone beyond that and gone to the community. So because we have a successful business, it's important for us to give back and help a lot of people who need help, who aren't as fortunate. For the last 10 years, we've participated in a charitable organization called Toys for Tots. And around the holidays each year, this organization collects new gifts that can be given to children who otherwise wouldn't have gifts for the holidays. I have children myself, and I'm looking at it from the perspective of how would I feel if I wasn't able to provide for my children or have toys or presents around the holiday times. And so for me, it feels great to know that I'm giving other parents the opportunity to provide for their children, whereas maybe otherwise they wouldn't have been able to. I actually find it fun going shopping for the kids and buying, shopping carts full of toys. It's fun to do the shopping, but it's also fun and fulfilling because you know that somebody's gonna be really happy when they open it. And so it's been very fulfilling and rewarding for us as a company to participate in this every year, and we plan to continue doing so. One of the fundraisers that we've participated in for several years now is the Support the Troops, and that's a foundation that has been set up to provide troops who are overseas with some of the things that they're familiar with from back home. Could be magazines, could be snacks, could be games, anything that maybe they're missing from home that could help them be more comfortable as they're overseas protecting the country.
What this is, it's a 1-gallon bag with cookies, popcorn, toothbrushes, gum, all sorts of stuff, and we send this over for their trip out to wherever they're ending up, so they have something just to snack on and stuff like that.
A few years ago, my father started an entrepreneurial scholarship. Obviously, entrepreneurship is in his blood, it's in my blood, and it's something that has allowed us to accomplish a lot in life. And there are a lot of kids in college who would like to become entrepreneurs but may not have the financial means to go to school or to get the resources they need. So the Lewis B. Mendelson Entrepreneurial Scholarship is something that my father's been funding personally each year, and it's giving the opportunity to people who have an interest in entrepreneurship to be able to go out and do the things that they want to do, much like what my father was able to do.
My dad's adult life, the majority of his adult life, has been focused on helping others achieve success, helping them achieve their goals. And tonight is no different as we help the students to get to the next level of success by giving them that extra boost. The 2016 Lewis B. Mendelson Entrepreneurial Scholarship Award goes to Hafzat Akani.
Don't sell yourself short. I do that a lot. It's not the best thing to do, but in me receiving this scholarship today, and just like last year's recipient, it's kind of giving me motivation that you can do something if you put your mind to it, and you can achieve anything as long as you just try.
From my perspective, our business, we develop trading software for people who trade the stock market. It's all about risk versus reward and return on investment. And I don't think there's any better investment that you could make in the world besides investing in the future and the students. So very, very important.
So whether it's a financial contribution or maybe it's an event that I personally participate in or members from our team and our company participate in, or it's just giving back to the community, whatever it is, you know that you're doing something that's productive, you know you're doing something that's positive, and you know that you're making a difference in our community, and that always feels great.